Hi, I'm Darren from DeltajDiy&Crafts.com. Does your opener chain droop like this one? Let me go ahead and show you how to adjust that to get the right amount of tension on so that you don't ruin your opener. So I've got my 2 half-inch wrenches here. I'm going to loosen off my back adjustment nut. And we'll get that just put there. So now we're going to go ahead and tighten up this adjustment nut in the front. So what we want to do is we want to have about 3/4 of an inch of space between the rail and the chain. Anything tighter than that will ruin the opener gear on top of your opener, possibly ripping it right off. So we don't want that. If it's too loose, it causes us problems too. So what we'll do is we'll make sure we take the twist out of our chain here so it's nice and straight. And we'll go ahead and just try that chain. So 3/4 of an inch, roughly my thumb. So that's perfect. Now we'll go ahead and put our wrench on our front nut. We'll go ahead and move and adjust our back adjustment nut to go ahead and tighten that up, making sure that we keep our chain nice and straight. And there you are. Now we have a perfectly adjusted chain on our opener rail. So we don't have to worry about any future issues on our door. Now if you like our video, please subscribe to it, give us a thumbs up, and you can visit our website for more how-to videos and parts for your garage doors today at DeltajDiy&Crafts.com. Thank you and have a great day.